I go lock your mama up, lock your papa, lock your family member. Anybody wey cross my path, even that person dey give me money, I go look at you. Even if you are a judge, I go rent them. Look at this kid. Saving my life. Oga, who are you? Are you Mr. Njoko Black Amodenko?
That's me. Amodenko, that's our son name.
Amodenko?
Yes, sir.
Your uncle, Njoko, left some inheritance for you to claim.
Power, I said it. You know, when my uncle was alive, people thought he's jobless because my uncle they use leg worker. You know, they use motor. And I believe in my uncle. Now they don't have job finally. Finally. Right on, let's cut this.
You don't that finish.
The Lord has finally done it. That's my prayer, sir.
They play. You know that state, Noka?
Exactly, sir. I know it.
Your uncle lost them. You know that Leke state?
Power!
That one, yeah. Ikodu.
I know that place, sir.
Your uncle
right.
don't sell them.
My uncle don't sell them too. Oh, God.
Abuja state. Your uncle borrow money from that one.
Oh,
God. Don't sell them.
Tell me what my uncle have for me. Go straight to the point.
Your uncle sell all his property. Go borrow 50 million.
Yes.
For Lapo.
My uncle borrow money.
And Lapo dey finance for him. Because Lapo, you don't get any property again for Lapo to claim. You dey owe Lapo 50 million. Now that you know how you are going. It's a move and inch. Hello? Manager.
Apologize.
In the office.
See, let's reason this thing man to man now.